There's a hole in the bucket, there is a there's a hole. There's a hole in the bucket, there is a there's a hole. Then fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then fix it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With what should I fix it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what should I fix it, dear Lisa? With what? With a straw, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a straw, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a straw. But the straw is too long, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. The straw is too long, dear Lisa. With straw is too long. Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then cut it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With what should I cut it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what should I cut it, dear Lisa? With what? With an axe, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With an axe, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. But the axe is too dull, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. The axe is too dull, dear Lisa. Rudal. Then sharpening it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then sharpening it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With what should I sharpen it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what should I sharpen it, dear Lisa? With what? With a stone, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a straw, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With a straw. But the stone is to dry, dear Lisa, dear Lisa, dear Lisa. But the stone is to dry, dear Lisa. Stone is to dry. Then wait it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Then wait it, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. Wait it. With what should I wait it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? With what should I wait it, dear Lisa? With what? With water, dear Henry, dear Henry, dear Henry. With water, dear Henry, dear Henry. With water. But now should I get it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? But how should I get it, dear Lisa, dear Lisa, dear Lisa? In the bucket, dear Henry, dear